हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आप लोगों की पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है? वैसे तो अब तक पढ़ाई हो गई होगी सारी। लो जी, फिर से आ गए हैं एग्ज़ाम्स जैन 21 के, जो हमने सोचा था शायद से डिले हो जाएं। कई लोगों ने पिछली बार ऑप्ट आउट कर दिया था किसी ना किसी रीज़न के कारण, तो अभी उनके जैन में एग्ज़ाम्स हैं। तो ओनली 4 days आर लेफ्ट, 4 or 5 days आई कैन से। दैट इज़ 21st को आपका पहला एग्ज़ाम है। तो in this video I am going to tell you about the strategy how to prepare your FR subjects if you are starting 5 days earlier or you are doing that in a 1.5 day. Okay, so if you are starting 5 days earlier, that is you're on 21st you are having your exam, so we'll be starting your revision from 17th, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have 4 days and 21st is your exam, half day of 21st, right? So what you have to do, first of all, if you are having one group or both the groups, don't just jump into accounts or FR, I'll say, for 5 days, because if you will be starting from 17th and you are having your last papers of law, if you are having first group, after 15 days approximately after 15 days, 12 or 13 days after, so it will be creating a scenario that for law you will be getting frustrated और ख़त्म होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, आप भूलना स्टार्ट कर दोगे। तो इट इज़ बेटर कि आप लॉ को रोज 1 आवर पढ़ो, दैट इज़ फॉर 17th, 18th एंड 19th। लॉ और ऑडिट को आप रोज 1 आवर पढ़ो, वो वाला टॉपिक पढ़ो जो आपको लगता है कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से रिवीजन करना है और एग्जाम वाले दिन आप सिर्फ 2 घंटे में उसको पढ़ के ख़त्म कर दोगे और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट और स्कोरिंग टॉपिक है, राइट। अभी आते हैं FR पे। FR मैं ओल्ड सिलेबस की बात कर रही हूँ। FR ओल्ड सिलेबस में यू हैव 17th को आप क्या पढ़ सकते हो? दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 10 एज पर ICAI मटीरियल, डेवलपमेंट्स इन फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग। उसमें कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं? वैल्यू एडेड स्टेटमेंट है, इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू एडेड वगैरह है, जो HRA वाला टॉपिक है, ठीक है। बहुत ईजी टॉपिक है, स्कोरिंग टॉपिक है, आप उसको करो। ईजी के साथ हम एक डिफिकल्ट वाला टॉपिक उठाते हैं, वैल्यूएशन वाला, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 9 एज पर ICAI मटीरियल। तो यू हैव टू डू, बहुत ही कम दे रही हूँ मैं इस बार टारगेट, चैप्टर नंबर 10 और चैप्टर नंबर 9, दैट इज वैल्यूएशन एंड डेवलपमेंट इन फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग। उसके साथ अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स करेंगे, क्योंकि अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत सारे हैं और रोज अगर हम 3-3, 4-4 करेंगे तो अच्छे से हो जाएंगे। उसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 मोस्टली अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड में से ही पूछा जाता है। तो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द वेरी स्टार्टिंग, दैट इज अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 29. So you will be doing 6 accounting standards, that is accounting standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 29 along with chapter number 10 and 9. Now if you have a time for 1 hour, just do audit or law, whatever you want to do. And if you are giving both the groups, do IDT. I think both group student will not pick 5 days earlier FR. Okay, then we come on 18th. What you have to do, whatever topic you feel that you need to revise it on of 17th, revise that topic, and on 18th of January you do chapter number 8, chapter number 7 and 6, that is share based payments, mutual funds chapter, and one more chapter, it is financial instruments. Okay, your 3 chapters will be covered, and along with that you have to do accounting standards 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Only 5 accounting standards. I think that accounting standards are very easy, it will be done. Then we come on 19th of January, that is day number 3. On day number 3 you have to do holding, chapter number 5 as per ICAI material. So complete that chapter in a day only, not more than a day. Along with that, if you still have a time, do accounting standard number 12, 13, 15 and 16. Only 4 accounting standards. These accounting standards are very easy. Then we come to next day, that is day number 19. Day number 4, and the date is 20th of January 2021. On 20th of January 2021, what you will be doing, the leftover topics, that is amalgamation, carve-in, carve-outs, Ind AS and accounting standards difference, chapter number 3, corporate financial. Most of the students leave this topic, but it is just a summary. I can say it can be done very easily, it doesn't consume time also. And the leftover accounting standards. This is your 4-day strategy. So on 17th, 18th and 19th, if 19th you have, because holding, I think most of the students take a time. If you have made your notes, and then it is very easy. And also please practice from every subtopic. I'm saying subtopic, like share based payments have number of subtopics. So from every subtopic you need to practice one question, because you are having very sufficient days for financial reporting. At least prepare this subject for exemption only. Okay, so on 21st, what you have to do, whatever is left, if something is left, I hope something will be left, because targets are very hard to complete on time. If something is left, do that topic. Nothing is left, revise all the accounting standards within within 1 or 2 hours. Just the conceptual part you have to revise. Or what you can do is just have a quick look on RTPs and MTPs of this attempt and the last attempt. Only this you have to do. And this is for the students who are preparing who are starting from 17th, and for the students who are starting from 20th or 19th, just I'm going to categorize your topics into 2 days. For first day, I am giving category A, that are scoring and easy and can be completed very quickly. That is chapter number 10, developments in financial reporting. Then chapter number 9, valuation. Then chapter number 8, mutual funds chapter. Then chapter number 7. Then 6, that is, I'll say chapter names. You have to complete valuation, value added statements, mutual funds, EVA, HRA, NBFCs, financial instruments, and share based payments. Okay, and then the category B contains holding, amalgamation, accounting standards, carve-in, carve-outs. So firstly do category A topics in a day, and then come to category B. Holding and amalgamation are very important topics if you want to score an exemption. If you don't think of exemption, then you can leave holding also. Yes, for new syllabus, I'm coming with the another video. Just the link of that video is given in the description box. You can check the description box. Thank you. All the best.